So first we can try to understand the equation. So P equal to, okay, with this type of question, the very first thing we need to do is try to understand this form and what this represents. So this is our Y value, which is percent, right? Which is percent. And this is the X value. And this is going to be the distance, right? So distance in feet, basically. So this is distance, right? So when you see this, that's D and this is P, and this is a linear equation, right? So the 100 is the starting value. This is like 100% here. This is like 100%, and then it's keep going down. Yeah. What you know, we will look at the rate here. So this is basically slope, right? And because slope is negative, so it's keep going down. So it's going to be a line like this, right? It's going to be a straight line like this, and this is a slope. So we're just going to write down the interpretation of the slope, right? You know, if you look at the choices, you know, it looks like we just have to represent the, or we have to describe the slope basically here. Okay, so now what does this mean? Now, -7/2. This, like I said, this is distance in feet, right? Distance. This is the percent. So what is happening here? It looks like when the distance from the hole, when she's away, when Karen is 2 feet away from the hole, right? This is the distance from the hole. The distance from the hole, and this is the percent that that's the accuracy, right? That's how much she loses, right? So when she's 2 feet away from the hole, then she's going to lose 7%. That's what that means, right? So we're going to just look for this, or this could even be, you know, like, you know, this, because 7/2 is -3.5. You know, we could just put a 1 here and interpret it. You know, like when she's 1 feet away from the hole, then she will lose 3.5%. You could write it like that too, right? But this depends on how the choices are structured. Let's read it and see if we can find the statement I just said, right? What's the statement I said? I said when she's 2 feet away from the hole, she's gonna lose 7%. So she's losing 7% accuracy here. So let's just look at it. For A, right? For this one, it says for every 2 feet, Karen is far away, right, from the hole, then she loses 7%. That's exactly what I was trying to say, right? So this, most likely, this is going to be, you know, the right choice. But let's keep reading. And what's the other one are saying? For every half foot further Karen's ball is from the hole, she loses. Well, that's not what our number is, right? This is not correct. For every 7 feet, well, 7 is not representing distance. 7 is representing a percent, so you can eliminate it immediately. For every 7 feet, Karen's is, again, 7 is not representing the distance, so we can eliminate this immediately. So the right choice here must be C.